What's your full name?
My full name is MD Rabbi Rahman.
So, Rabbi Shahab, do you live in abroad right now?
Yes, now I currently live it abroad in Singapore.
Singapore. Okay. And where do you live in Bangladesh, basically?
I lived in Bangladesh, Pabna, district in Pabna.
So, do you live with your family in Singapore?
No, I and one man lived in Singapore. My whole family lived in Bangladesh.
So, do you like to contact with your family every morning?
No, I like my family contact, but time when that's why I every day call my family
Okay.
3 p.m.
So, do you like to visit natural places in Singapore?
Yes, I like visit a natural place. I every day try to go natural place.
So, if someone asks you, do you like Bangladeshi foods or Singapore foods? Which one will be most favorite for you?
I like Bangladesh food because Singapore food no good.
Do you like playing cricket?
No, I don't like play cricket. I like only play football.
As you like football, playing football. So, in your free time, do you like to play football with your friends in Singapore?
I like football, but I cannot here play football. I try to. Sometimes I try to play football. My their colleague.
Okay. So, do you learn English every day?
Yes, I try to learn practice English every day at night.
So, why do you choose Times English Center for learning English? Explain it.
I see Facebook platform your this Times English Center video. That's why I see many old people here very good speak English. I
And
thinking here join after I can properly English speak English.
so, do you think you are improving day by day as you are joining in every class?
The Times English Center joined before I cannot properly speak English. Now I can speak English.
Okay, mashallah, good. So, in your free time, what do you do?
I free time I call my friends. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I read a story.
So, do you have any foreigner friends?
Yes, here have I my foreigner friends, have Indian friend have.
Indian. So, do you like Indian accent?
Yes, sir. I like Indian accent because this man every day two men every time he speak English. That's why to this one I like. But UK, but foreigner, Singaporean, this man speak English. I cannot understand properly.
How do you think about the education system in Singapore?
Singapore education system is very good.
Do you have any plan to visit Bangladesh?
Yes, I visit Bangladesh after 2 years.
When will you actually cook biryani?
I like cook biryani, but here place to have that I cannot cook biryani.
Do you like offering tea someone?
Yes, sir. I sometime offer my friend colleague offer tea.
Okay.
Tea,
One
bread.
last question. One last question for you, which is, do you drive car in Singapore?
Now also I cannot drive here car because here driving time need to license, but here driving license getting very tough.
Thank you. That is the end of your speaking test. What's your full name?
My full name is Ainur Rahman Mujumdar.
Okay. So, where do you live?
Currently, I live in Kumilla. I grew up and born in this city, sir.
Okay. Do you like your city?
Yes, I like city because Kumilla is very beautiful city. So I like this city.
Do you live with your family in Kumilla?
Yes, I live with my family.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetable because it is very helpful for everyone.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I practice English every day, sir.
What will you do after the class?
Basically, after the class, I try to practice and some homework.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
So, in your free time, do you like to play football with your friends?
Yes, I always try to, when I get free time, I play football with my friends, basically in the morning.
Do you like hang out with your friends in natural places?
Yes, when I get free time, I try to go to another natural places like I like most hilly sides and river side.
Can you cook biryani by yourself?
No, sir, but I try.
So, can you speak English now with others?
Yes, I try to speak with others.
After completing the course in Times English Center, what will you do actually?
I try to speak another person when I get another country. That time I speak another with another.
So, do you want to go abroad in future?
Yes, I like to go abroad in my future.
One last question for you, which is, you know that English is very, very important for all of us. So, do you recommend anyone to learn English?
Yes, I recommend everyone should learn English because English is important language and it is very helpful for in our future. So it is very essential for us.
Okay, thank you. That is the end of your speaking test.